There's a doctor making $300,000 a year who is one missed paycheck away from financial disaster. Meanwhile, a warehouse worker making $55,000 a year just hit $200,000 in net worth. Income isn't the problem. The system you're running is. Welcome to the Money Prophets. Today, we're breaking down the middle class trap and the 3 rules that actually separate people who build wealth from people who just look wealthy. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The more money most people make, the more they spend. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it's the silent killer of wealth. You get a raise, so you upgrade your car. You get a bonus, so you upgrade your apartment. Every dollar that comes in has a job lined up before it even hits your account. This is why doctors, lawyers, and executives, people earning incredible incomes, can still be living paycheck to paycheck. They're not bad with money because they're irresponsible. They're bad with money because nobody ever taught them the difference between looking rich and being wealthy. Looking rich is a leased BMW, a mortgage that eats 50% of your take-home pay, and credit card statements you don't open. Being wealthy is boring. It's a Honda Civic, a modest apartment, and a brokerage account quietly compounding in the background. The wealthy understand something the middle class trap keeps hidden. Net worth, not income, is the real scoreboard. You can earn 6 figures and have a negative net worth. You can earn $50,000 a year and have $500,000 in assets. The number on your paycheck means nothing if it all flows back out the door. So let's talk about the 3 rules. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. This means before rent, before bills, before a single discretionary dollar is spent. A percentage of every paycheck moves automatically into savings or investments. Not what's left over. First, most people budget backwards. They spend, then save whatever survives the month. Usually nothing survives. Flip the order. Even 10% set aside automatically before you ever see it removes the decision entirely. You stop relying on willpower, which fails. You start relying on systems, which don't. Rule number 2, buy assets, not liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. A rental property is an asset. A car loan is a liability. A dividend-paying index fund is an asset. A 72-month auto loan on a truck you didn't need is a liability. This sounds obvious, but most major purchases in the average person's life are liabilities dressed up as rewards. The wealthy ask one question before every big purchase. Does this make me money, or does this cost me money for the rest of its life? That single filter changes everything. Rule number 3, time in the market beats timing the market. This is the rule that quietly builds more millionaires than any stock pick or hot tip ever will. Someone who invests $300 a month starting at age 25, doing absolutely nothing fancy, just a simple low-cost index fund, will retire with more money than someone who invests $600 a month but doesn't start until 35. Compound interest doesn't reward genius. It rewards patience. The biggest mistake isn't picking the wrong investment. It's waiting for the perfect time to start and losing the most valuable resource you have, time itself. Here's the truth. The middle class trap doesn't want you to hear. Building wealth isn't about earning more. It's about keeping more, directing it on purpose, and giving it time to grow. Pay yourself first. Buy assets, not liabilities, and let time do the heavy lifting. If this helped you see money differently, subscribe to the Money Prophets. We break down the rules nobody taught us every single week.